Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Ilyan. This is Dr. Srinivas Putluri. I am a doctorate and a senior IT engineer. Today I am going to start manual testing video series. In today's video I am going to explain about basic concepts of software engineering. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If you would like to know clear understanding on all these concepts, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. These are the topics I am going to cover in today's session. What is software, software system, software engineering, followed by what is software project, bidding process, what is RFP, which is request for proposal, and followed by kickoff meeting and PIN, which is project initiation note. What is software? Software is basically a set of computer programs or instructions which when executed they give desired features, function and performance, which mean that these computer programs are developed by software developers to develop a set of features. Based on its features, one can derive its functionality, and based on its function, one can estimate its performance. It is also defined as a set of computer instructions or programs that are developed to perform a specific set of functions or tasks. Then what is a software system? It is a system that is designed and developed with the help of software to which a user can able to interact with the help of a computer. We have many real-time examples which include computer online reservation system, operating system, database management system, air traffic control system, or few examples. Let me justify my statement with these examples. If you take computer online reservation system, it is like an online reservation website like apsrtc.in, irctc.in. These are certain websites which are used for reserving bus or train tickets. All these applications are developed with the help of software like Java.NET PHP, to which a user can able to interact with the help of computer. Similarly, we can also explain all other examples. From all these examples, we can say that the importance of any software system is these enable the users to perform highly complex activities or complex tasks. Then what is software engineering? It is a process of designing, developing and maintaining the software. What is a software project? It is a software that is developed for the customers by software companies is known as software project. Then what is bidding process? It is a process of getting software projects from the customer by software companies is known as bidding process. It is also known as contract fixing. It involves 3 steps, which is request for proposal, estimations and signing of contract. What is RFP? RFP is basically a document that is floated by the customer in which the customer asks the vendors to submit the entire plan of how they intend to develop the product which the client actually requires. That is, here the client provides a high-level definition of requirements. The vendors respond to the RFP with all the details like technical solution, also the project management plan and commercial aspects. Then the vendor may also submit the case studies of similar product that he has built. Sometimes these are explicitly asked by the customer. RFP response has a designated end date by which it needs to be submitted to the client. Once the client has received all the bids, they evaluate and pick the solution which they deem to be the best. Once the vendor is finalized, the project management and other activities will take over. What is kickoff meeting? It is the first meeting which is held with the project team and customer of the project once the project is confirmed and signed off, which is known as kickoff meeting. Then what is PIN, which is project initiation note. So it is an email sent by the project manager to the CEO of the company in order to get permission to start the project development. Once the permission was given, he will prepare another email and will send it to the concerned project team that they are about to start the project. It is also called as PIN, which is project initiation note. That's all for today's session. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.